In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox not launching on Windows 10 and 11. Now, first thing that we're gonna try is right click on Roblox player, properties, go into compatibility, enable both of these and this, and choose Windows 8. Now try all of these, apply an OK, and see if it works. Now if it doesn't work, what we're gonna try is restart our PC. After we restart the PC, we can come in here, apps and features, find Roblox, and try and delete it. Now once we've deleted it, we're gonna reinstall and see if that fixes the issue. Now another thing we can try is right click on Roblox, go to open file location. From in here you can find the Roblox player launcher. You're gonna do the same, properties, compatibility, activate both of these and this one. Now if none of this works, simply come back to local, find the Roblox, delete this file, and then try and reopen Roblox and see if it installs itself. Otherwise, go and download Roblox once again. Now if none of these work, something I've seen on YouTube is some people are saying they have Riva Tuner open down here. If you open here, and you'll find it down here. Right click on that and close it and see if that fixes your issue. Now I hope any of these helps you, and if they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.